Hey guys, welcome back to EduByte. What if I tell you that you will get 5000 rupees monthly for free from the government? Sounds good, right? But why? Here's why. Universal Basic Income. It is a theoretical government public program for a periodic payment given to all citizens of a given population without any means of work requirement. Basically, Universal Basic Income is a scheme where every citizen of a country will get a certain amount of money from the government every month for the rest of their lives, and they do not even have to work for it. The intention behind this payment is to provide enough to cover the basic cost of living and provide financial security. This is a new policy that a lot of governments are considering to implement due to the world corona pandemic, rapid increasing of AI and global recession. But why should the government pay us? Because many countries have started using AI and automation in order to get the work done faster and more efficiently than human beings, like self-checkout supermarkets, metro stations, diners, and I can also tell that soon enough we might also have automated vehicles. Due to this, a lot of average skilled laborers and part-time workers are losing their jobs. The scarcity of jobs will increase in the future. Programs like these will help people to stand on their feet and reach their monthly expenses. Countries like Spain and Kenya have already implemented this program and are giving all of their country's citizens money to reach their basic expenses during the pandemic. And few countries like USA and Canada are experimenting this policy. A lot of celebrities like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg said that basic income is necessary for the future of people to survive the job loss. Andrew Yang, who was running for presidential elections in the USA, also made his whole campaign about universal basic income. Countries like South Korea and Finland tried and experimented this policy with their citizens. They took around 5,000 people and gave them money every month. They can spend them on whatever they want. All the people selected for this program were unemployed, and the results were quite surprising. The unemployed people felt it is not a good idea to give away free money. The researchers who conducted this program said that the main issue with this program is the funds. The government cannot afford to pay people enough to survive. They even suggested that it is possible to cut down few of public welfare benefits given by the government and add this there. But it should be an added public welfare benefit according to some officials. Universal basic income might not get implemented now, but we might need it in the future. Everything sounds good about universal basic income, but on the other side, it also has some disadvantages. So let's take a look at them. Inflation could be triggered because of the increase in demand for goods and services. There won't be an increased standard of living in the long run because of these inflated prices. Because of UBI, a lot of people will stop working. This free income may not incentivize people to get jobs and could make work seem optional and thus resulting in non-payment of taxes and economic downfall. The literacy rate might also decrease. It may lead to the welfare support for undesirable like criminals and unlawful. This was our take on universal basic income. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for all the updates. And also check out our blog by clicking on the link given below.